Hello and welcome everyone. If you want to know how I did this beautiful repour for the custom commission, then keep on watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated and really helps me. I'm using the exact same colors and brands I've used in the last pour, only this time I didn't put silicone in it. I'm also using exactly the same amount, so just a little bit of a phthalo blue and Prussian blue, 2 times the ochre yellow, 2 times white and 1 time the gold metallic. I'm doing the pour over the pour that I already made because the paint is still a bit wet, so it means that the paint that I pour over will flow more easily over the painting. The customer didn't got as many cells that it had in this pour, so that's why I'm re-pouring it with no silicone in it. You will get cells because of the Floetrol that's in the mix, but it will be a lot less. I'm also not using the burner, so that the cells won't come up too much. I'm pouring the gold next to the ochre yellow, because then it doesn't really pop up that much when you see the painting, but when a varnish coat goes over it and the sun shines on the painting, you will see the gold pop up. Again, I'm using a lot of white and a lot of ochre to make the painting much lighter than it was before. I'm using a little bit less paint than last time. The cups aren't that full because there's already paint on the painting. It will flow more easily over it. I'm not using the burner. The cells that pop up, that's the cells that I'm gonna use, so there's gonna be more negative space. As you can see, the gold is in the ochre yellow, so it doesn't pop up that much, but when light shines on it you can see it. I'm trying not to move the painting too much because I don't want a lot of cells to pop up. When you tilt it you get cells as well, and I don't want the cells too big because the customer likes the negative space that's on it. And this is the end result. I'm really happy with it. The cells are really smaller, there's less cells on there, you got more lacing on it. There's a lot more white and ochre yellow and gold in there like the customer wants, with just a hint of blue in there. It dried just as beautiful as it is right now. It is a lot different than the last pour because there aren't that many cells in there and you don't got the silicone cells, so you get more lacing. But I still love it, especially with the gold in it. It looks really rich and calm in colors. When it dried, you can see it dried just as beautiful as it was wet. But the varnish gold really made it pop. In the sun it looks amazing and I'm really happy with the end result, just as the customer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, it's much appreciated, and see you in the next video.